Do you know how to talk? Do you know how to talk? Do you know how to talk? Dear Grandpa, love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. No, sing it to him. He can't hear you if you sing it like that. Sing it louder. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Apple Jean. Is it your birthday? No. Whose birthday is it? Whose birthday is it? Campbell Jean's?
No.
Who?
Gabby.
Gabi? No, not Gabi. Whose birthday? Whose birthday? Whose birthday is it? Say it or I'll tickle you. Whose birthday? Grandma's?
No.
Sammy's?
No.
Dad's? Whose is it? Whose is it? Whose birthday? Whose birthday is it today? Do you remember? Say happy birthday, Grandpa. Hey. Hey.
No.
Say happy birthday, Grandpa.
No.
Yeah, you do it.
No.
Samuel, what are you doing? Get it out of your mouth. Sam's chewing on the shirt to tell you happy birthday. Say happy birthday, Grandpa. Happy birthday to Grandpa. Happy birthday to Grandpa. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa. Happy birthday to you. You say it. Sorry, Dad. I tried.